Ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, pin to your job. Queen is the name, Raffaello did the chain. This is Monse, Patty plain Jane. New bitch every day, how much can you take? New band, new cake, I can't hear what you say. Bring the bottles my way, Rose do say. Might work dabbing, can't get the fuck out of my face. New phone, who this? New check, who this? These bitches my kids, line hitters don't miss. Shoot a nigga in his ribs, walk in the club with a stick.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So girl, as you can see, I'm looking like a Flintstone right now. And I just want to say guys that I've been going for a week, and y'all know I be posting videos like every 2 days, every 3 days or whatever. But you know, your homegirl was going through some stuff, and you know, I was going through some stuff, but I'm back and I'm better. And we want to see how I achieve this gorgeous, 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 flawless look. Continue watching.
Oh my god, oh my god, ew.
My hair is alright. As you can see, the hair is not looking too good. The ends is cut, and I wasn't too good with the cutting job, but we're about to slay this wig in a minute. Okay, so this is a frontal. I installed this wig. My tongue is red. Ew. Because I was eating the icy, so don't mind that. Anyways, I installed this wig using the Got To Be Glue method, the black bottle. If you haven't seen my video of how I install my lace frontal wigs, what are you waiting for, honey? Click that link in the description box below. So, you know, the black girl struggle, okay? I'm not even gonna front, guys. Like, you know, I'm not even gonna front. I can't find no comb in my house. Like, you know the struggle when you can't find a comb in your house, the black girl struggle. Y'all understand, alright? So I'm gonna have to be using the chopsticks to do the parting, okay? So yes, honey. We about to do it. So I'm about to just part the hair in the middle. Now me, I'm kind of good with parting, so I can really part it with my fingers. Now I'm gonna just take a piece of hair. I'm gonna just section it off. So I'm gonna take this much. I'm gonna make sure there's no track showing. I'm gonna be taking some mousse. You can use any mousse. It can be 99 cent. No, that ain't got no 99 cent mousse. But shake it up. It can be any mousse. Don't have to be any one in particular. If you want to know, the one I have is the White Rain Volumizing Mousse. And you see that price tag still on it. Yes, $2.29. Okay. Massage that through the hair, and this is gonna make the hair lay flat. And now that we got the ponytail, just gonna squeeze it in, make sure it's nice and tight. And yes, do not mind these brassy baby hair, guys. We're gonna get to all that in a second. And your ponytail doesn't have to be that full, because I'm gonna be teasing the ponytails to make it more fuller. And now we got our 2 ponytails. Oh. So now what you want to do, you want to take a wig brush the hair up so our bun could be nice and full. It's time to do the bun. She is bumped. Now it's time to slide these edges, and the edge control I'm gonna be using is this TGIEIN whatever. It's some natural smooth and hold edge control, extra hold, extra sturdy, extra castor oil, natural ingredients. The edges is on fleek or whatever. First one, I'ma just gently put it through your bun. This is the finished look, and I love how it came out. Oh wait, oh should I do the glasses? Ooh, thumbnail. This would be a good thumbnail, like. Thank you for getting me to 8K subs, and we at 8.1K subs, girl. Let's get to 10K. So I love each and every one of you guys. I love you guys for all the support. All of you guys are so beautiful. I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.